What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So there are a couple of things that I need to do to the Corvette today. I just need to do a couple of cleanup things, and it's going to require me to pull the car out. And I'm really thinking, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm really thinking about hooking that nitrous back up. I called Nitrous Express today, and they said a 50 shot would be fine. Probably won't even have to pull no timing. I really want to do it, but it's going to take some ingenuity to hook up this line to my intake. And you know, that intake was expensive. I don't know if I want to mess it up, because I'll mess up something in a heartbeat. But in the meantime, we're going to pull the Corvette out so we can get to doing what we need to do. Okay, so we got the Corvette pulled out. Let's talk about what I really need to do today. It's a beautiful day during the week, beautiful Wednesday after work. I love this time of the year because it's not too hot and it's not too cold. So there's really a couple things that I want to do. You know, I'm always working on this car and whatnot, in and out, and my hands be super dirty. I really need to clean that up. It's starting to bother me. And you know how you get used to seeing stuff, then all of a sudden you start noticing it. This whole panel needs to be cleaned. In fact, my car it really needs a good old grand spanking detail. So I may do that today, or at least start on it. At least kind of clean up the interior a little bit. Kind of been neglecting it. But what I really need to fix is figure out this. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna have to put some super glue or something, but it keeps falling. It keeps falling from right here. It's not sticking, or either I'll hit it. So I really need to find somewhere to put this. If I can move this, pop this out some kind of way, I'd run it through there, and I know I can, but I just don't. It seems like a lot of people will put it right where I have it. My last resort is to super glue that motherfucker up there, because at the end of the day, this should never be moved. The settings should never be set. Yeah, fix fall again. You see that? It should just be left alone. So I really think I'm going to super glue it. I got some super glue. I think that's going to work better than that tape. Hey, the wind is blowing. I hate that. And then we got the same problem over here with my progressive, my ramp end. I need to do something with that. I really need to do something with that. So we may even do the same thing with that, because it keeps falling too. The only time I need to pull it off is when I need to change the battery. And I think that's a new battery, 1023. So it's like a year old. Now let me show you what I'm talking about regarding the nitrous. So, as I said, I was thinking about hooking the nitrous up. It should be very simple to do. I can do it myself and have an extra and be well over 700 if I choose to, with just a 50 shot. So you know it's killing me not to be able to do it, because all I have to do is screw these in here like that. Don't want to cross thread them. Now granted, I'm not looking at which is nitrous and which is fuel. I'm just showing you what I need to do. So don't be judging me. I don't even know if is this camera pointed where it needs to be. So we just kind of threading it on here straight. So what I need to do is take this and somehow put it in here, but make it nice and neat. That's not nice and neat. The only way to really make it nice and neat is to go up under it, like right up here, and stick it in there. That didn't sound right. Then it would be nice and neat. There's no room to do it over here. Well, I guess I could do it like that, but that's not nice and neat. That's not nice and neat. Probably could do it like that if I so chose to. Can y'all see that? And then do something with the wires, kind of get them together. But I don't want that on my supercharger. I'd rather put it up under, as long as it don't get in the way, which I could do. I could do that. I might do that. Then the other thing I'm worried about, so it came with a plate system, which you already know, but it won't fit with the bracket on, so I bought this short nozzle. I would hate for this to come loose and this bolt gets sucked up in my motor, and that's all she wrote. And I don't want to be taking this off every 5 minutes to make sure it's tight. And I don't want a boost leak either around there, which I guess I won't be. There's not one there, but I'm thinking I may do that. Just go up underneath so I could pull. Be real easy to test out. I may do that because all I gotta do, I mean, I can do it in like 5 minutes. Is just take a step bit, which I have. It's not even that big of a bit. Loosen these up, pull the pipe out, kind of raise it up. I may have to disconnect it down there too from the intercooler. I don't know if you can see that. Drill a hole in the bottom, and then we got a 50 shot of nitrous. No tuning required. So when I called Nitrous outlet, like I said, they thought with a little small 35 shot, which would actually be more like a 50 shot under boost, I wouldn't even need to pull timing. So if I had a 50 shot, that would be more like a 75 shot. Probably would pull like a degree of timing out of that. And I would not want that to hit on the lead. I don't need it on the lead. I would probably progress it in at least over a second. Right now it's set to full ball eagles on the hit. I would not want that because I'm already spinning on the start. But yeah, I may just do that. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments on what I should do, because I really want to do it to finish my car. I want to keep the nitrous, just even if I never spray it. I paid a lot of money for that, and I'm not getting rid of it because I will never make that. I will never get close to what I put into it. And then another thing that I would do right now, I'm running MS. What is that over there? MS 109 in my standalone fuel cell for nitrous. I would probably just switch that to E85. That would be kind of weird to be running 3 different fuels. E85, meth, and then turn around in there and running MS 109. That just seems weird to me. But I would change that out and run, like I said, just end up running E85, especially with a 50 shot. I mean, I could probably run a 50 shot dry and it wouldn't make a difference as far as fuel or AFR. But anyway, we got some decisions to make. I really could make that decision right now and just do it and be done with it in minutes. Be done with it in minutes. Don't tip me. Don't tip me. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. I'm fixing to fix this stuff.